Let's be honest, diploma right now is basically just to get hired easier. To be successful is all up to you. So, alam mo guys, I want to clarify that other fields need diploma. And I totally agree. Being a doctor, being a lawyer, being a pilot, kailangan mo na diploma. And some companies need the diploma, require diploma. And that's totally okay. That's totally fine, no? It's probably because if you're a big company, no? Let's say you're a call center company, and you need, thousands of manpower, the best way to filter fast is through a diploma. Like, if I own a call center company, I need 10,000 people, the fastest way to filter is through a diploma. Because let's face it, if nag-diploma ka, that means you're like, it's a sign of education already, diba? Kasi if I don't require diploma, like, I have to entertain all of the people. Nagigets mo? Like, there are people na hindi marunong mag-English, hindi marunong mag-communicate. But remember that diploma is not a definition of who you are. Your school that you graduate is not a definition of who you are. Your grades does not define how good you are. In my company, because syempre I don't need naman 10,000 people. We don't do a lot of mass hiring. I have never asked a diploma of one of our team members. It is because hindi ko kailangan. Like, for example, video editor. No, I'm hiring a video editor. Why would I ask a diploma if you graduated? Like, what does it have to do with a video editor? Diba? If you ask my video editors, probably yung course nila hindi naman galing sa media or creative. Wala akong pake. Marunong ka mag-edit ng video, okay, sample tayo, try mo i-edit to, pag maganda, hire kita. Diba? So, I'm just letting you be aware, guys, that your diploma, your school, your grades does not define you as a person. And if you want to be successful, the main message that I want to leave here is ask yourself, what value have you given, contributed to society? The bigger value that you're contributing, the more likely society will hire you and pay you more. Ano ibig sabihin ng value? How big is the problem you're solving as an employee, as a business owner, as a human being? So if you're just nagtitimpla ka ng kape, okay, ask yourself, how valuable is that to the society? But if you're somebody who's saving lives as a doctor, diba? How valuable is that in the society? So that's how you get paid more. Eh? The bigger the problem that you're solving, the more valuable, the more pay that the society will give you.